a post-election development in Tamil Nadu, Tamilaga Vettri Kazhagam led by actor-turned-politician Vijay has emerged as the single largest party in the assembly elections, winning 108 seats in the 234-member house. However, the party was short of the majority mark of 118 seats needed to form the government. The Congress, which has won 5 seats, has already taken a final decision on extending support. Addressing the media, Congress MP K.C. Venugopal said that TVK President Vijay has requested the Indian National Congress to support the formation of a government in Tamil Nadu. He also said Vijay referred to former Chief Minister Kamaraj as an inspiration for his political journey. Venugopal added that the Congress believes the mandate in Tamil Nadu is for a secular government committed to protecting the constitution in letter and spirit. He also stated that the party does not want the BJP or its representatives to come to power in the state. He further said that the Congress leadership has directed the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee to take a final decision on TVK's request, keeping in view the mandate given by the people. Meanwhile, Congress has extended support to TVK. With this, Vijay's party is prepared to stake claim to form the government. Vijay has already reached out to the governor and is expected to stake claim soon. Reports suggest that the swearing-in ceremony could take place on May 7th in Chennai. So, viewers, how will Vijay's government perform in Tamil Nadu in the coming days? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.
Tamil Nadu political situation. Basically, post-election scenario. Honorable Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, LOP Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi ji, in charge Girish Choudhary was there. The President of TVK, TD Vijay, has requested the INC for support to form a government in Tamil Nadu. INC is clear that the mandate in Tamil Nadu is for a secular government committed to protecting the constitution in letter and spirit. The INC is determined not to have the BJP and the proxies run the government of Tamil Nadu in any manner. Thiri Vijay has spoken about drawing inspiration from Film Talevar Kamaraj also. Accordingly, the Congress leadership has directed the TNCC to take a final decision on Thiri Vijay's request, keeping in view the sentiments of the state reflected in the electoral verdict.